The fact that people think sports persons are patriotic is not correct. I think they are just good at playing.
No, I kept on saying middle class family, middle class family. वहाँ पे middle class people are rich.
Sapan, may I burst a bubble? You are not middle class.
No, I was not talking about myself. I was talking about you.
I have seasonal jokes. Like I have a joke about coolers that I only do in summer. Yeah.
Tears do distract you because sometimes when I cry and tears roll down, I'm like, wow, great skin.
The way comedians can be patriotic is by not doing something for our country. It's the opposite.
Yeah.
Blink, reek, katak. Joke funeral.
Before you watch the video, please do two things. Number one, just hit the subscribe button. Just do it. It'll take 2 seconds. Do it. Number two, I'm starting my tour this weekend onwards. This weekend I'm in Mumbai and Gurgaon, and then after that next weekend Bangalore, and then Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and all other cities. So get your tickets, come see me live, and now enjoy Joke Funeral shot for the first time with a live audience.
Please give it up for Tarang Hardekar, Rahul Subramanian, and Anirban Das Gupta. But thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for doing this. We're shooting this for the live audience for the first time.
Hey,
Yeah.
They are there live.
They are live.
You have good looking audience, yeah, Sapan?
Wow.
Thanks, yaar.
मेरे में क्या आता है पता नहीं.
Has anybody been to Rahul's show before?
Oh no.
Yeah, they're also good looking audience. Come
They
on.
have changed. They have grown.
Should I start with a I'll start with a question that somebody asked on Instagram. It sounded like it was full of pain. Somebody asked saying, why do some jokes work really well with friends but never in front of an audience?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because friends generally don't have good sense of humor.
I have a lot of jokes that work great with an audience, never with friends.
Yeah.
It's the opposite.
Oh, the opposite happens.
Yeah, my friends leave me.
What if your what if your friends are in the audience? Ooh.
Oh, then I don't perform. I don't want to see anybody I know.
Yeah,
Oh.
Same
Yeah.
here.
Same, no?
Yeah.
Do you have a logical answer to this? Why do jokes work with friends?
I have one, but I'll allow Anirban to first disappoint them.
My friend is Rahul only.
An audience also had some good questions. Who do we start with? Kaustubh. Yeah, he has seen.
You can just point at people and know their names.
Yeah. Vivek,
Wow.
Agnihotri. I just know people's names, dude. Yeah. I don't know. Rahul. Yeah. See?
Rahul, too, if you say there are 4 people.
No, I spoke to him. His name is Kaustubh.
So my question was, how do you know when it's time to retire a joke? Like when a joke stops working or when you're tired of it or
Who is this directed at?
general, in
That
general.
will speak volumes of your judgment.
Oh. Say?
I'll tell now.
Yeah. You'll say last.
You know, you to know, right? You guys retired EIC. So you guys knew. I'm just a joke. No. I think you know a joke. There are a few things. One is if it's a, what do you call, a topic which is relevant right now.
Topical.
Yes. Oh, topical, yeah. Like the fruit? Oh no, that's anyway, when that runs out,
Yeah.
like you can't make jokes about, Venkatesh Prasad in 96 World Cup still now.
Yes. I sometimes try, but it never works.
Dude, I have a joke about Venkatesh Prasad. It's not a joke. It's not my written joke. It's an old joke. What is the
Street joke.
It's a street joke. What is the similarity between 96 Cricket World Cup team and Mahashivratri Puja? दोनों में प्रसाद एंड में आता है.
I have seasonal jokes. Like I have a joke about coolers that I only do in summer. Yeah, but it's not. That's true.
Yeah, like Mumbai monsoon jokks.
Yeah, Mumbai monsoon joke. I have a rain joke.
Like I have Wednesday jokes.
Oh, nice.
Which work only on Thursdays. The other day it was Wednesday.
Hey, I have venue specific jokes also.
Yeah.
I have a joke that only works at the Habitat.
Do it in Khar Comedy Club.
It's just a thing. I'm like, hey guys, welcome to the Habitat, the scene of the crime. It's tonight you walk in as audience, you go out as witness. That's
Do you have
did not work. See,
Do you have KCC joke?
no, I think you have. Who has?
I have.
Viswa has. And you also have.
Just I say that, oh, thank you. I hope you didn't find any difficulty finding Khar Comedy Club. That's why we've called it Khar Comedy Club. So you don't go to Andheri and like, That got more of a reaction than it usually gets. That's really good.
I have one that works in every venue.
Which is?
I'm so happy to be at the Khar Comedy Club. It has always been my dream to be at the Khar Comedy Club. It works everywhere.
Nice.
Hi, I'm Adrian.
Hi, Adrian.
Oh, nice.
And I wanted to ask that sometimes you'll have, like now you have a very famous joke, Rahul, like BKC joke.
Ooh, you don't reveal it. It's not out yet.
So then,
Ooh,
like,
it's very-
does
yeah.
that work abroad? Like when
No,
you're on...
Baba, no.
Listen to my whole
BKC joke. What a great question.
Good question.
So then, like, how much do you tweak your set when you are touring abroad? Like,
Yeah, I think both Sapan kind of answered. It's the same for the venue specific jokes.
Yeah.
Like BKC jokes, it doesn't even work in Thane. So forget outside.
Yeah.
So it's a very specific. But we do tweak. Like I'm sure, like when Tarang, actually it's a good question. When you went to Edinburgh,
Just come back
sorry, to Melbourne.
from
Melbourne, yeah.
वहाँ पर you had to tweak a few of your jokes.
Some of them,
To-
especially in Europe, I don't want to sound like I have only one bit, but the cooler bit. So when I
Oh, I thought cooler means like one of the cooler bits.
Oh, the
bit about water cooler.
Ah.
And when I went to Prague, it was a 10-minute bit, and I did the whole bit, and they didn't laugh at all. And then I
But
realized
there is a heat wave now. They would have.
But they don't know.
they don't have coolers in there.
Yeah.
They have tap
That's why,
water.
They have tap water. They don't know what coconut. I mean, they know what coconut trees are, but they don't see it that much. So I have a 10-minute bit about coconut trees, which also didn't work. And I was trying to visualize them and then explain, but it didn't work.
That
Yeah.
won't work in Gurgaon also.
Yeah.
This happened to me also when I was going to Fringe. The first time I went there, I had some joke. I don't remember the exact joke. Also, the punchline was something 2 BHK in Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah,
2 BHK in Mumbai, you would get an applause over here. I kept on doing this joke there. Nobody laughed. And one day, the person who handled the sound at my show, he said, "What have you been saying? What is that word 2 BHK?" So I said, 2-bedroom, hall, kitchen. It's an apartment. He's like, "Oh, we don't know the short form. You have to say 2-bedroom apartment." Next day, I tried 2-bedroom apartment. Started working again.
Then, yeah.
So then you have to figure out what the.
You actually told me this before I went to my first Edinburgh
Yes.
Fringe. I called you for advice
Yes.
and you said,
Yes.
get these terms.
2 BHK mat
Be
bola.
friends with your sound guy.
Yeah, be friend of the sound guy.
Yeah.
2
Sound
BHK mat
guys,
bolna.
yeah.
I didn't even know. I kept on saying middle class Indian, middle class family. वहाँ पे middle class people are rich. It's supposed to be working class.
And Sapan, may I burst a bubble? You're not middle class.
No, I was not talking about myself. I was talking about you.
Accepted. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Who should we? You want to start with your joke?
Yeah, I can.
Okay,
Sapan.
okay.
So the premise is that I think the fact that people think sports persons are patriotic is not correct. I think they are just good at playing.
What a great, I love this already.
And then they keep playing. And the only way, if you play better, you have to go above. And then at one point, you're representing the country because that's the only thing you can do.
Yeah.
And they can't be like, oh, he did so much for the country. No, he just played.
Yes.
He kept playing better.
Yeah.
Like they don't say like, oh, this marketeer, after he becomes chief marketer, he did so much for the country. No. So I think, so my thing is that they've not done for the, I mean, see, what if you're not good at the sport?
Yes.
You are anti-national. No, that cannot be.
No, that happens only in comedy.
See, imagine like if you're joining the army, then clearly your intent is to serve the nation.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
If you're becoming a sports person, your intent is to not study.
Yeah.
Get attendance.
Yeah, you
How
want
can that be
attendance.
patriotic?
Yeah.
I love it.
But I'm saying, is there no way that you can be a great sports person
And not
without
patriotic.
representing the country?
But I'm saying if you're striving for excellence
Yeah.
in anything, or
Yes.
you want to become better,
Yeah.
then you have to go up the ladder.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And what is the topmost? It is representing your country.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it is representing your. But it's not. It doesn't. I'm saying representing your country sounds like, man, you're doing this for your nation. I'm
Yes.
like, you're just तुम खेलने जा रहे हो यार.
तुम लोग खेल रहे हैं, तुम्हारा
तू खेल रहा है, तू
socks are stinking.
देश के लिए.
Yeah. So the cricket is such that the peak of cricket is actually international
Correct.
cricket. But there are a lot of other sports like tennis. Tennis में like Davis Cup is the international like country versus country tournament. But that's not the peak. That's actually like 7th priority or something. Like
Oh.
the peak is
Wimbledon.
okay 5th. Okay. But पहले तो 4 ग्रैंड स्लैम आते हैं, फिर ओलंपिक आता है, फिर डेविस कप शायद आता है, लेकिन
हाँ.
from तो when you are playing Wimbledon, although you are technically representing like how we are in Edinburgh,
Yeah.
but actually you are not.
Yeah.
Right.
You're playing. It's an individual.
It's an individual sport.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like the question that you had, that is there anybody who has excelled in his field without representing the country? Khali.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He did represent. He was always introduced as from the Punjab jungles of India. Yeah, the
should I
jungles
think
in
about that?
Punjab. I don't know. Punjab jungles of India. The great Kali.
Yeah, the theme song was also like Punjabi song. It was
Oh,
ding, ding, ding,
yeah?
ding.
Punjabi?
Yeah.
Are you just generally just doing any Punjabi song, or was it actually?
No, it was like a ding 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 ding. That's how he walked in.
One idea in this bit could be that so sports people are getting to represent the country by just
Why not software engineers?
no.
Hey, that's a great idea, actually. Yeah.
They must be doing all those.
But they are never recognized. Like he did so much for the country, Mr. Anurag from Infosys.
Yeah.
Legend.
The way he used to decode
Yeah. I think
how he found semicolons. Oh.
I think you need a talent to find the best software engineer.
Oh, that's so the recruitment.
India's got Windows.
Yeah. No, but I'm saying again, like if like I just feel like you can't relate. Like he or she has done so much for the country.
Yes. So what I'm saying is
Yeah.
sports people get to represent the country by
Right.
just
Playing.
Doing
just
what they like.
doing what they like, enjoying.
Yeah.
Like this is great. So then they should have like some mandatory national service.
Ah.
So that you got to represent country by just running around.
Yeah.
So do something real.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Like.
Yeah.
Pay a little extra tax.
See, that's when they move to London now.
Oh.
I feel it's also unfair on the sports persons. This pressure.
I was just going to say, it's too much
that
pressure.
they're like, you're doing it for how you're representing your country. How can it's like and they get criticized by people who don't do anything for the country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Under the premise that you're representing the country, how can you put a wide or whatever? I don't know.
Yeah.
No ball कैसे डाल सकता है तू? It's like तू
Yeah.
country को represent कर रहा है. तू तो school को भी नहीं किया ना?
It is pressure. Like, would if somebody tomorrow, I will not say the government, but somebody says that you are going to represent India at a
Stand-up
US
comedy.
stand-up comedy, would you take up the offer or no?
I won't do my bit about coolers. That's the one thing.
If I am representing India in a comedy competition, I will do crowd work and call it United Nations. Both have the sum total 0.
Like I just want, like, brother, what do you work? You work as day trader. Are you representing our country? But he can, no? What if he's the best day trader ever to have lived in this universe?
How do you check?
I mean, let us.
By making him trade at night.
I'm just feeling sad that he doesn't have an opportunity
He doesn't
when
have an
he is so
opportunity.
good at what he does.
You just assumed he's very good.
Yeah. So this is my premise, guys.
Okay. Have you tried this before?
No.
Great.
And now I think it's unanimous. I shouldn't.
I think
No, why? Everybody agrees with the.
I like this.
Is it an unpopular opinion? No, everybody agrees
No, I
with
just
this.
feel there is a backlash somewhere here.
Yes.
Which
I
is then
feel-
which joke does not have?
Huh?
Which joke does not have?
The BKC one.
Cooler. BKC residents will be upset with
No,
you.
then if I have to do this joke, I have to take. I can't talk about. I have to talk about like football,
Yes.
basketball,
You
some
can't-
other sport, some other country.
Talk about yesteryears.
इंडिया के बारे में नहीं बोल सकता हूँ मैं, because I am the way comedians can be patriotic is by not doing something for our country. It's the opposite.
Yeah.
What a time.
I think you have an end to your set already.
Yeah.
Okay, Tarun, you want to go
Mine,
next?
yeah. So I have this bit about coolers. No, I have this joke in my bit. I was saying it. I have a joke in my set about crying, and it's about I love crying. It's the best activity because before you cry, your sadness is conceptual. Like you don't know if you're sad. Are you sad? You're not sad. Who knows? But after you cry, you have physical evidence for your sadness. You can test it in a lab. Yeah. Is he sad? Is he not sad? After you go, you'll be like, he's sad. I like that. That also, I think, because sadness as an emotion is very funny.
Yeah.
Because it's very funny because what is the body doing? It's sending water down.
Yeah.
It's a very weird thing when your feelings are getting overwhelmed, everything is happening, the eyes are like, I've done something.
I have made my contribution.
I've made my contribution. I've put water.
Eyes are looking down at other ears. What are you doing, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, you're listening.
Whoa, thank you for solving the problem.
Heart is under pressure.
And I think eventually it works because tears do distract you from your sadness. Yeah.
Tears distract you from your sadness.
Because it feels, sometimes you're like, why has one tear reached all the way over here?
Yeah.
And one is stuck in a mountain somewhere.
Yeah.
And why is it not moving? And how has this reached all the way here?
And you cry a little
Then you
both
become
side.
sad for this tear.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
this starts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goes
Tears do distract you because sometimes when I cry and tears roll down, I'm like, wow, great skin.
Do you cry in the rain? I do walk in the rain so that no one can see me peeing. Wow.
What is peeing but tears from your...
Correct.
Yeah. Unless the rain is yellow, then it's different.
That means you had B complex stuff. Youngsters will not get it.
This can't be joke funeral. This is a funny joke. People are laughing also.
But there is nowhere to go with it.
Just start crying at the end of it.
Yeah.
I think it's a great bit because also there are a lot of body parts
Yeah.
which actually give you no sign of sadness, right?
Yeah.
Like your toenails.
Yeah.
Fucking-
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Yeah, do
Life
something.
is not nothing. Body is sad. What are you doing?
And even if the toenail gives you pain, the result is eyes.
Yeah. Any body part starts playing, eyes have to do something.
Yeah.
What's this responsibility of bringing water to every scenario?
Yeah, you can go body. You can insult like different body parts. Like you said, ears,
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
You can do like nipples. This is not a time to get hard. What is wrong with? Why are you getting hard, bro?
Do nipples get hard when you
I don't
cry?
know. Are they hard right now? I don't know.
Yes. This one.
This one.
That's because of great skin.
Yeah. Because I was sad the other day, and Anirban's right nipple started. I'm like, anyone gets sad, Anirban's.
My tear rolled down my cheek and dropped here.
It's like how Batman had that sign. No,
Yeah.
Anirban like, okay, the world is sad now. Time to say some jokes.
But crying is actually a great emotion. I agree
Yeah.
with it. I think crying. I have enjoyed more crying as an adult.
Dude, you were so into that. You actually looked up and
I looked there and
you
was like, tear
felt
was
it.
rolling.
Yeah, you went back.
I feel like crying is a nice therapeutic emotion. You should
Yes.
cry once a month.
Yeah.
Like you should schedule a day.
Are you just telling it to me or to everyone?
No, everyone.
All of you.
Yeah, everybody. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7.
And sometimes you cry out of happiness also, which is I'm like, dude, why?
Happy tears.
Yeah. This is the wrong emotion.
Happy tears should
Yeah.
have different outlets.
It's almost like
They do.
I agree. Sapan going rogue. Happy tears. Yeah. It's almost like you took a wrong turn. Your car took a wrong turn. अरे यहाँ से अभी क्यों आंसू आ रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Aditi, can we give the mic to Aditi?
Aditi is a psychologist.
What, really? You also know
Yeah.
people.
I know
You
all-
can look at people and judge their profession.
I
like
know, yeah. Day trader, psychologist,
Psychologist.
wicket keeper.
Okay, why don't you like talk about something in the bit that talks about men not crying or men crying? Maybe that might be funny. I'm just checking.
Oh,
Like you spoke about tears and
Yes.
like whatever, that's the evidence. So
Well, yeah.
can you bring in the men part? Because that will become awkward also, no?
that
Wait, I have a question for you also.
Bolo.
She's a psychologist,
Yeah, I'm a mental health coach.
mental health coach.
Huh.
So people mostly coming and crying a lot
Yeah.
to you also.
Huh.
So then give some gossip. No, I'm
Dude, you know, like 3 years ago, I had come for a show of yours only and you've asked me the same thing.
Oh, Sapan, when do you know when to retire a bit?
Before we move on, I have to do one very important segment, guys. If anybody has seen the show on YouTube, we do a segment called sponsor integration. Okay. Yes.
Oh.
Unfortunately, we do not have a sponsor.
I have a suggestion.
Yes.
You force a sponsor and then they are forced to pay you.
Oh.
Say something about Rin Supreme.
Reign Supreme, amazing.
हाँ हमें मिल जाएगा पैसा bro. This is a cool technique. We should just force sponsors.
Just random things.
Yeah.
Huh? Invoice them, but where to send it to? Invoice I can make. rin@gmail.com. So today I asked Tarang also, do you want to promote something? Tarang, have you got something for us to promote?
I'd gotten Baby Rub.
What is Baby Rub?
Baby Rub is just, it's a Vicks Baby Rub.
Oh.
Vapor Rub. No, but it says Baby Rub on the thing. Yes.
Vicks Rub.
It's for babies. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And why do you have it?
Hey, they've changed the Dakhan ka color.
No, this is for
Baby.
babies.
It's for babies.
It's for babies. And yeah, sometimes I cry, then I rub this on my chest. No, I don't know why I have it. That's the thing. I don't know why I took this out.
I am sorry.
This
sounds a little-
This product in the hands of a non-parent.
Yes,
very
yes.
wrong. This
yes. It's like Tarang is just walking
I did
around.
not-
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry.
I did not.
That's
one
the problem.
Second, one second.
This is
I
like
did not
the-
know. I was having coughing problems and like like headache
When you were 3.
problems. Yeah,
This is
from
the
when I was
problem. This
three.
is the same like the support. Just because you are not a parent does not mean you are kind towards kids.
You
Just
can,
because
be
you're not
kind, you can be kind towards kids without rubbing anything.
Okay. I never said. I never
This is
said.
like
I
this
never
is like,
said.
hey, I'll give it to you, no? Then
Yes, give.
so if I carry lots and I'm just finding
Oh.
parents. to
Acha,
get-
you are giving it to parents.
Yeah,
Yes.
bro.
Okay. Thank you, Tarang, for bringing
No
this.
problem.
Okay,
Thanks.
I tried to write a Tarang joke.
Oh.
Nice.
Tarang has a very specific
Can
style
you
of
stand
comedy.
and do it?
I like
In
to
an
go
angle.
also
In
like-
an angle.
Yes, yes.
I tried, but I could never pull it off. Okay, so I wanted to check because Tarang is here.
Yeah.
If he can make this joke funny. Okay, so the bit was basically that one day I was crossing Joe and I saw this signboard actually which said mini fire station, which was quite confusing to me because is it a mini fire station or is it a mini fire station?
Yeah, nice.
Do you know what I mean? Is it a small 1 BHK of a fire station? That's sorry, we only have this much space.
Yeah.
Or is it a fire station dedicated to mini fires?
Or is it a
Yes.
fire station started by someone called Mini? Like Rajesh Ambulance.
Only can take Rajesh.
आपका नाम क्या? अंकुर. आप अंकुर फायर स्टेशन जाओ.
Who also previously started Mini Punjab.
Yeah. Is it like Mini Punjab where you go inside? It's not a fire station, but you get all of the things that you get at a fire station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the vibe of the fire station.
Yeah. So I got into this like really hard key. Is it like a fire station for small fires?
Yes.
Like if you have a candle on a cake and you're not able to like put it
Bujao.
off, you call the mini fire station and they send a guy with a small...
3-year-olds in the small baby trucks come.
You can call them when you have run out of lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Small problem.
Sorry, sir. That's the micro fire station. That's not. That's not.
Down the road.
It's down the road. Yeah.
But that's the opposite. A fire station will not give you fire. It
Oh,
will take.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anirban just heard fire and he got lighter.
You know what is a mini fire station? Fire extinguisher.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. So I had these angles only. That is.
Or
Do you also have a major fire station?
oh, that's
Yeah.
Mini का opposite major है.
I don't know.
नहीं नहीं हो सकता.
I'll
Maxi.
Like I am just thinking.
Pentel. Oh, Maxi Pentel.
That would be
Large.
Also,
like
it's-
I'm just saying, like if your candle on the cake is not burning and you call the fire station saying, "Bhai nahi ho raha hai," they're like, "I'm sorry, sir, you called the major fire station."
हाँ.
Major. Major. Fire.
Major General Fire Station.
Yeah. So and also, why would you put that signboard outside?
Yeah.
How is it helpful to us as people?
Like it's like. No, I have to defend the fire station for
Yeah.
some reason.
Why?
Because if everyone comes to a major fire station for small things like अरे मेरा घर जल गया भाई हमको पूरा एयरपोर्ट जला है रेन
That-
फॉरेस्ट जल रहा है
That fire station is representing the nation. And that's the real. Yeah.
Please take this premise and do
Okay,
something
done.
with it because I can't make it funny.
wow
Yeah.
you're a giver
Hey, then can you give me a joke
Correct.
also? I have actually two ideas.
Okay.
Okay. One idea is that when don't you think that when we are celebrating independence, okay.
what's the second idea
Okay. Let me do it. Good one. Okay, my second idea is that.
Hey, but finish this now. You can't leave us on a cliffhanger.
Okay. He has
Tell us,
given-
we'll remove it.
No. He has given great cut point. Take it. Okay.
That's true.
Rahul knows what he's doing. Representing India. No, I'll do the other one.
Okay.
This is an idea. This is not a joke. Okay, so. Whatever. And so what I was trying to do is I was trying to do a set up top in my show where every joke has a template. Okay, has this ever happened? And then something common has happened, and then I would name all the jokes. Okay, and then I was trying to make the jokes talk. Okay, exactly.
talk.
Yeah. That's why I've brought it to Joke Funeral. Okay, this is perfect. So I was like, I would go up and I'd be like, has this ever happened? And that when you're sick and you forget to take antibiotics and all, and then I would say, okay, that's joke number 1. It's a sick joke. Okay,
Sick joke.
nice
then second joke I would say something that has this ever happened when you've stubbed your toe in the bed? This is a lame joke. Okay. Then third joke would be like, has this ever happened when you have started eating because you have nothing else to do? Okay, because you have nobody to talk to, so you're like, let's interact with the fridge. Okay. It's binge eating at night, so this is this joke hungry. Okay,
Hungry joke.
and then the fourth joke I would crack is a masturbation joke.
Okay.
Okay, and so it's a horny joke. And then my punchline that I tried for like 2 weeks before I dropped the idea is the third joke is telling the fourth joke, we don't talk about this, I was eating. And then I was trying to see what the first 2 jokes can talk to the third, fourth joke. Basically, now all the jokes have like a characteristic.
Okay.
Horny, hungry, lame, sick.
Sick.
Okay, so I was
4
just,
cardinal sins
I just wanted like some conversation between jokes.
4 stages of grief also. Horny. Hungry.
Horny is the first one.
Lame is a stage of grief. When do you feel lame when you're?
So this was just an experiment that what if I can like characterize jokes and make them talk.
But how will you make them like how
I would
how
say
do you
Bring puppets
convey
out.
that
No,
Sock puppets.
See joke 3 hungry joke is saying that I'm
बोलेगा कैसा तो
मुंह से
that got a laugh बोलेगा ऐसा मुंह से अरे बाबा अरे
How will
पगले
you explain to the audience?
एक ऑडियंस को समझेगा कैसे तू एक जोक दूसरे जोक से बात कर रहा
नहीं
है
फिर मैं यही बोलता था जो अभी नहीं चल यही बोलता था कि अरे द प्रीवियस जोक इज स्टेइंग डोंट टॉक अबाउट ऑल दिस आई वाज ईटिंग होता है
so
ना
they have to keep a
They have
track
to
of the
keep
joke
in mind.
number
Audience has to come with a notebook and make notes of. You need a whiteboard to write down.
अरे I am literally I told them 30 seconds back if they don't remember this then it's no basically so this was the idea कि can I make the jokes talk but as of now they are not on talking terms. That's why I've come here.
What a problem to have. I've never had this problem.
It's very, firstly, really amazing. You're doing so
Full
well.
marks for effort.
No, but I'm like trying to. Are you okay with more than one person on stage?
Yes.
Like a sketch.
Yes, it could be actually.
Then I think it might.
So
be.
then everybody is one particular joke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
So-
he is.
Yeah, you do like different parts of the stage, and then you do different jokes, and you're like, this is hungry.
This is hungry part.
lame.
This is horny part.
No, I am not moving.
Okay.
So you are the lazy joke.
Lazy joke. Okay. No, that nobody is talking to.
Yeah.
And you can say this at the end. I tried to make these jokes talk, but they're not talking, and this is the lonely joke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think you should share the independence wala with us.
Fair enough.
Just a suggestion.
I can't believe this one is safer. नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जोक्स हम लोग करते हैं ऐसे 1 घंटे में 50 जोक करते हैं तो आई वाज
राहुल तो 200 करता है.
हाँ 200 करता है
Stop it.
ठीक है it was just an experiment it has nothing like I tried it for like 2 Wednesdays I remember also
2 Wednesdays.
yes
It's a Wednesday problem.
I don't know why. Like, why do you want? Sorry, why do you want the jokes to talk to each other? There is something that
because
you.
okay it's very simple because I've never seen it happen so it's a new thing
Maybe there is a reason.
yes
I had a thing for the fridge joke because you know you feel like lonely when you talk to the fridge and it's a very like talkative dynamic because
Yes.
it feels like another person.
Yes.
Every time you open like और क्या हाल चाल?
like the fridge एकदम lights up
Yeah, lights up.
Classic Tarang joke. That's a Tarang joke.
Typical.
I'm taking that one also.
Tarang can play the fridge in that.
I think if you can do this as a contribution to every comedy show, like when we are doing a set, you just come out after every joke, sad joke. You just label other people's jokes while it is happening.
other people's joke
Yeah, like when Tarang is doing a cool joke,
Cooler
sad
joke.
joke.
Okay.
You just do that and you go.
hey that's a good one
Yeah.
I will come
No,
No, I have like very little hope of this working out. So I thought
You actually came to retire this joke here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Others were
No,
like,
the fact that you had little hope itself is commendable. You are a very positive person, Anirban.
I was.
it was like a good idea. It was like
Interesting.
It was a, yeah.
It was a good
an
idea.
idea. It's
Yeah,
idea was
like,
guys, you fucking. I started with it. It's an idea. It's not a joke. So you don't judge with your like 499 lens. Okay.
Some fit 699 also.
499 length. That is from Lens Cut.
Thank you guys. That's the end of the show. Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you.
That's been Joke Funeral. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it up for Tarang Hardikar. Give it up for Rahul Subramaniam. Give it up for Anirban Das Gupta. And once again, thank you for coming out. I hope you guys had a good time. And hopefully we'll get to do this again. Thank you.